Hey loves, welcome back to SoulSync. Today we're diving into something every girl secretly enjoys. Those little ways you can make your guy blush without even trying. You know that adorable moment when his cheeks turn pink or he looks away with that shy smile? Yeah, we're talking about that. Making him blush isn't just about looks. It's about how you carry yourself, the small things you do, and the energy you bring around him. And the best part? You don't even have to try too hard. Men may act tough on the outside, but deep down they get flustered just as easily, sometimes even more than us. When you know how to hit those soft spots, whether it's through your words, your touch, or even just your presence, you'll see him melt right in front of you. So today, I'm going to share the little tricks that will make him blush and keep thinking about you long after you've gone. So sit back, relax, and let's get into these fun, sexy, and cute ways you can make him blush like crazy. 1. Hold eye contact longer than usual. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make him blush is by holding his gaze a little longer than expected. Most guys aren't used to a girl locking eyes with them in such a confident, intentional way. When you do it, it makes him instantly more aware of you, his heartbeat quickens, his confidence either shoots up or crumbles, and those rosy cheeks show up without him realizing. It's that unspoken tension that makes it feel so magnetic. The trick here isn't just staring, it's doing it with a soft, almost teasing smile. A playful tilt of your head, or letting your eyes wander back and forth between his eyes and lips adds that extra heat. He'll be stuck wondering if you're flirting or just naturally this charming, and that uncertainty alone will have him stumbling over his words. Eye contact is like a secret language, and when you master it, you don't need to say anything at all. He'll feel exposed in the best way, like you see right through him. That vulnerable yet exciting rush is exactly what makes him blush, even when you haven't said a single word. 2. Whisper something close to his ear. Even if it's something innocent, whispering close to his ear makes his whole body react instantly. The warmth of your breath, the closeness of your lips, and that soft tone of your voice is more than enough to send chills down his spine. Guys don't expect it. So when you lean in, you're immediately crossing into a more intimate space that makes him feel both nervous and thrilled. You don't even need to say anything particularly bold. A casual compliment, an inside joke, or even just calling his name softly is enough to fluster him. It's not the words, it's the delivery. That closeness makes him feel like the rest of the world has disappeared, and in that moment, it's just the two of you. That's when the blush sneaks in. What makes this even more powerful is the unpredictability. If you whisper something unexpectedly in the middle of a normal conversation, he won't be able to stop replaying it in his head. He'll get shy, maybe laugh it off, but deep down, he'll feel his face heat up, and you'll know exactly why. 3. Tease him in a playful way. Nothing makes a guy blush faster than when you call him out in a playful, teasing tone. It shows you're paying attention to him, but also that you're bold enough to push his buttons. Whether you're making fun of how he always fixes his hair, pointing out how he blushes when you compliment him, or joking about how he's totally obsessed with you, your playful attitude makes him flustered. The key here is balance. You don't want to roast him harshly. It's more about those light teases that make him laugh while still feeling a little shy. When you're teasing, you're indirectly saying, "I notice you," and that attention is what makes him glow. He might roll his eyes or act unbothered, but his face will give him away every time. Teasing is also a form of flirting that guys secretly love. It keeps the energy fun and light while also creating that underlying romantic tension. And the moment he starts laughing but hides his smile behind his hand, congratulations, you've just made him blush without even trying too hard. 4. Compliment him out of nowhere. Men don't get compliments as often as women do, which is why when you give one, especially out of nowhere, it hits different. If you casually drop something like, "You look so good today," or "I love the way you smile," he won't know how to react. His automatic response will be to blush because he's not used to that spotlight. What makes random compliments even more powerful is the surprise factor. If you say it at a moment when he least expects it, like in the middle of a normal conversation, or when he's doing something simple, it feels extra genuine. That makes him flustered because he knows you really mean it. And the best part? Compliments stay with him. Even hours later, He'll be replaying your words in his head, smiling to himself like a fool. That little boost of confidence will make his whole day better. And every time he thinks of you, he'll remember that moment when you made him blush so effortlessly. Lightly touch him while talking. Physical touch is one of the fastest ways to make a guy blush, especially when it's subtle and unexpected. A light brush of your hand on his arm, fixing his collar, or letting your fingers graze his, when you hand him something, creates sparks he can't hide. Even the smallest touch feels amplified when it's coming from someone he's attracted to. What makes this so powerful is the unspoken intimacy. When you're in conversation and casually lean in to touch him, it feels natural but also deeply personal. He won't be able to stop thinking about how intentional it was, even if you make it seem casual. His body will react before his brain does, and that's when the blushing kicks in. Guys may act cool, but they get nervous with physical closeness just as much as girls do. The best part is, you don't even have to be overly bold. The subtle touches work better than anything else. That unexpected softness leaves him shy, smiling, and wondering if you did it on purpose. 6. Call him by a cute nickname. Giving him a nickname and actually using it is another way to make him blush instantly. It's playful, personal, and shows that you share a little world of your own. Even something as simple as handsome or pretty boy can catch him off guard and make him shy. Nicknames have a way of lowering a guy's defenses. Suddenly, he's not just himself, he's your special person. The one you've given a name that no one else calls him. That ownership makes him feel wanted, and he can't help but get flustered. You'll notice it in how he looks down or grins uncontrollably after you say it. It also adds intimacy to your conversations. The more you use it, the more he associates you with comfort and attraction. And every single time you drop it, even casually, he'll blush a little, whether he admits it or not. 7. Give him that slow compliment. Compliments from you hit differently, and when you deliver them slowly with a playful pause, he won't be able to stop the blush rising on his cheeks. For example, instead of just saying, "You look good today," try dragging it out with a smile. "Wow, you look ridiculously good today. I don't even know how I'm supposed to focus around you." That softness mixed with a little spice will have him fighting to hide that smile. The secret is in how you say it, not just what you say. Lower your voice a bit, tilt your head, and make it feel like the compliment slipped out without you even trying. It feels authentic, unexpected, and personal, which makes it even more powerful. Boys are not used to getting deep compliments the way girls are, so when you give one that feels genuine, he feels special instantly. And here's the best part. He'll replay your words in his head all day long. That one slow, thoughtful compliment will stick in his mind far more than 100 casual ones. Every time he remembers it, he'll blush again, because he'll realize you notice details about him that nobody else does. That's when you become unforgettable. 8. Make innocent eye contact. Then look away. Sometimes the simplest move can make him melt, and eye contact is one of them. Locking eyes with him for just a second longer than usual makes everything feel more intimate. When you do this and then quickly look away with a shy smile or even a little laugh, he'll feel his heartbeat race. That moment is playful, sweet, and seductive without you saying a single word. What makes this so powerful is the tension it builds. He'll wonder if you looked at him that way on purpose, or if it was just a coincidence. That uncertainty drives him crazy, in the best way possible. It's teasing, but in such a soft and innocent style that it makes his whole body react before he even realizes it. That's exactly why his cheeks go pink without him controlling it. And if you add a little playful twist, like biting your lip or brushing your hair behind your ear while holding that eye contact, it pushes him over the edge. Suddenly, you've turned a simple glance into a full-on moment that lingers in his mind. That's the kind of thing that makes him blush every time he thinks about you later, even when you're not around. So loves, those were some fun, flirty ways to make him blush without even trying. The best part about all of this is how simple it really is. It's not about grand gestures. It's those tiny things like eye contact, a little tease, or a random compliment that leave the biggest impact. Men may act like they don't get affected, but trust me, they're way easier to fluster than they'll ever admit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync for more bold and sweet content. And I want to hear from you too. What's one thing you've done that made a guy blush instantly? Drop it in the comments below, and let's share some secrets. Until next time, Keep being irresistible.